Crime rising across the nation, including major cities like Los Angeles, with a possible recall effort for L.A. District Attorney George Gascon. L.A.'s top lawyer dealt a blow after an appeals court orders Gascon to enforce the three-strike rule, which could increase prison terms when filing criminal charges. Again, that according to the NBC4 there. The suit was brought by 800 members of district attorneys in L.A. County. Representing them in court was Republican candidate for California Attorney General Nathan Hochman, joining us live now. Nathan, good to see you. Thanks so much for coming on. Talk about the significance of this for our viewers and why this is important and how this even happened.
So this is a major decision in California, going after the far left policies of LADA George Gascon. What happened is right after he got into office, December of 2020, he issued a special directive that ordered his over 800 deputy district attorneys not to go ahead and file three-strikes cases. These are the cases against the worst and most dangerous offenders in the system. And his blanket policy got challenged by those 800 deputy district attorneys. I and my law firm represented them in court, and we made a simple argument that you could not violate the law, that you could not violate the will of the people of California, who by over 70% passed the proposition, and the state legislature, in order to enact your far left political preferences over the rule of law. The court down below agreed with us and issued a preliminary injunction. And yesterday, the Court of Appeals also affirmed it. And they basically said to George Gascon that you are not the sovereign. So I basically say so long to the reign of King Gascon and hello to his recall.
Why would there be such a disconnect with hundreds of members of district attorneys in that region with the current DA?
You know, it's interesting. They took a vote of the over 800 deputy district attorneys, and they voted by 97.8% to support the recall of their boss. That's extraordinary. There's actually over 30 cities in Los Angeles County that have actually passed a no confidence motion in LADA George Gascon. Again, no other DA had ever had one city pass a no confidence motion. So the George Gascon's far left policies, where he does not want to go after and prosecute violent and serious offenders and then let them go before they've served their sentence, is part of the reason I'm running for California Attorney General. And I believe Nathan Hochman can win that position.
We've got about 30 seconds left for you. If you did get that position, what would you want to change? What's first on your agenda there?
Well, voters of California should know that the California Attorney General is an incredibly powerful position. He's like the super DA under the California Constitution. And if Nathan Hochman was that Attorney General, he could come into Los Angeles and take over the cases that George Gascon refuses to prosecute. So again, I would tell all voters out there to vote for Nathan Hochman for California Attorney General to restore safety and security to California.
Nathan Hochman joining us live here on National Report. Thank you for coming on the program, Nathan. Good to see you. Enjoy your weekend, sir.